Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with the robot operating system. This is the Raspberry Pi 2 connected to a serial cable and network cable, as well as a band cable. This is RS-232, network cable, band cable, and with this one I can boot the Raspberry Pi and start VNC, so I can use the network cable. VNC stands for virtual network computing, and after that I can use this band cable, which is connected to this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik electronics as well as mechatronics, being this motor with propeller. Then some wiring, including some thing called a voltage divider, which was the ending of last time. Now also I have an Android tablet, because on my Linux desktop I do not have enough space to control everything, and then I have an Apple MacBook Oldie for the rest of the virtual desktops. Anyway, like I said, well, it's all programmed in C++, by the way. That is because of the robot operating system. You can program it in either Python or C++, and this is C++. Like I said, last time's topic in the end was why I do not get any signal from here to basically here, and thus to here. That was, as it turns out, due to a voltage. There is a voltage because of this LED shining when I apply light to this phototransistor, but, and it's a big issue, there's nothing coming here, or not enough anyway. So the final question was, do I do it right? Well, so far no, because when you see the software, it doesn't do the right thing at the moment I need it, which is caused by this voltage divider, because it brings the voltage down, which is its purpose, but then too far down that this doesn't signal it. So that is the problem right now. How do I get a voltage divider, or anyway that, or anything anyway, that I can read the signal? And that's a good question, because as yet I don't have a correct or straight answer. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, so then we have the desktop. Yeah, not a desktop computer, but a virtual desktop by Tiger VNC. This is ROS core, and it says that my log is over 1 gigabyte. So sooner or later it may not start, and I have to clean it up. And by now this is an old version, Kinetic. Anyway, ROS core is running, so I can start control. I can start fischertechnik LED, which is this one here. No, this one. Then I can start the phototransistor node, which is this one. And I could edit stuff, but that is like I can do it here. VIFT phototransistor CPP. Oh, by the way, because of the slowness of the Raspberry Pi with 4 virtual desktops servers, it took me over an hour to set it all up, including this one. So okay, the big question is like this. So from the voltage divider, which is right here, it is going to pin 13. All nice. But if this voltage is too low, it won't detect it as a 1. So should I change the values, or could I change the values? Yes, I probably can. But how? Replacing the transistors? Yes, by which value? Because this I can measure, of course, and then calculate the 3.3 volts, or more appropriate, which voltage is then signaled as 1. So I need to figure this out before it is of any use to go here and test some things again. So yes, let's measure things, and that may be a little bit complicated, but I need a voltage, either an oscilloscope or a voltage meter, and I need a lamp. Let's prepare. Alright, so right now I have this multimeter once again. Here I have my smartphone for lighting. I added a spring, which is no longer used as a spring but as a holder for the mass probe. Then light for the phototransistor and the voltage probe, so I can measure some voltage. And right now I'm not measuring anything. Yeah, now I should, or whenever that very little green LED is showing something. If right now it's not doing the thing. I'm not measuring anything. Let's go to 12 volts, or more appropriate 3 volts. So, any more results? Not really. Because I don't see a green LED light up, which is right here. So this is not very promising. And this is really ground. Okay, let me hang it in here. Then I need 5 volts. So let me measure right here if I'm measuring anything anyway. And I don't. Okay, that's not good. What am I supposed to measure? This is voltage. Okay. Then 30 volts again. And when I apply here, I should measure 5 volts or something, but I don't. So something is not quite right. Yeah, well, here's some voltage over. Okay. the needle is going back and forth, so there is voltage over it. Nothing here, but here is. That's good. At least something works. Yeah, right. So if that works, then at least something from here could work. Probe in the phototransistor. Oh, I just realized I didn't start the motor and other things, but is that necessary? No, because these are working. And this is what it is about. So I'm still wondering what is happening, or better, what is not. And once again it turns out that the piece of wiring was not correct right here, because the motor didn't run. Inserting the wire that makes it run. In the meantime, on the tablet I have activated the motor and the red LED, as you can see. So because this didn't work, it had to be wiring. And now you can clearly see there is voltage coming to the little LED right here. I know it's hard to see, but it is working. And right here you can see that there is some voltage over it, coming from the phototransistor. Which is some 2.5 volts. And this is even before the voltage divider. So when I apply this to, I hope I'm not blocking everything. So right here, what voltage will it be? Right now absolutely nothing. Absolutely no voltage, which is strange. Okay, I need a steady hold for the phototransistor, so I see the LED glowing. But right now no such thing, unfortunately. And only then I can measure things. But given the fact that it is already 2.5 volts before the voltage divider, it will be too low for the entrance here. So that will be a problem. If this is 2.5 volts, by the way, what is the voltage needed to be 1 on the Raspberry Pi? And that means that the solution is not there. The problem is that the only voltage that is regarded as 1 by Raspberry Pi input, and then I mean the GPIO, so in short this is the GPIO, and the voltage regarded as 1 is 3.3 volts. Coming from here, as I measured, is 2.5 volts. That means that 2.5 volts through the voltage divider. So let me get the schematics. So a lamp, 2.5 volts here. The voltage division going here, less than 2.5 volts will always be regarded as a 0. Even 2.5 volts will be regarded as 0. So I will never get the 1. So how to get the 1? How to get it such that the message is going to be sent? Well, not like this anyway. Oops. I have to find another solution. Or simply not doing this, but this is not the way. And that is it for this video. With a disappointing result, but well, who knows what follows. Using Raspberry Pi 2, Android phone and Android tablet, multimeter, some electronics, and prepared but not used my MacBook and external monitor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. You can show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wyatt, and you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Please take a look at patronage, because I just changed everything there. So maybe you think, okay, now I'm doing it. This is going to be continued. Please take a look under this video for more information, as well as the ending part of this video. Have a nice day, stay safe, and bye bye.